Hello and welcome to Photoshop Explorer. In this video, I'm going to show you a trick to improve the quality of your images using Photoshop's Preserve Details 2.0 feature. As you can see, this image has got a really bad quality, so let's see how to solve the problem. This feature could be not enabled, so the first thing you're gonna need to do is to go on Edit, Preferences, Technology Preferences. Then, enable Preserve Details 2.0 Upscale and press OK. Now, going to Image Size, in the Resample menu you should be able to see the Preserve Details 2.0 option. You can choose that, and put a value of 3000 pixels in the width box. Also, you can regulate the noise here, and high value will make the image softer, as you can see. When you're okay with the settings, just press OK and see the result. Obviously the image is not perfect, but still way better than before. And the best part is, after you resize the image using this method, you can apply various effects and filters without worrying about losing quality. Now, before we apply the Camera Raw filter, let's convert this image to a smart object. This will allow us to make adjustments to the filter also later on. To do this, we can right-click on the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object from the drop-down menu. Once we've done that, we can go ahead and apply the Camera Raw filter to the Smart Object layer. To do this, simply go to Filter in the top menu bar, select Camera Raw Filter, and adjust the settings as desired. Obviously, do not exaggerate. Otherwise the quality could get worse. So here's the before, and here's the after. Honestly, it's quite impressive. That's all for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Photoshop and graphics tutorials. Thank you for watching.